friends, oh my gosh, Walgreens, we have yet another skincare offer with the Olay skincare line, 89% off. Oh my gosh, run, go do this deal right away. Run to your computer and do this deal. So I'm going to let you guys know specifically with this deal, with these prices, it's a curbside offer, meaning you hit that blue bar on the left-hand side, cell phone, tablet, desktop, computer, curbside only. If you go in store, the prices are probably going to be full price. So this is a curbside price change. If you could do me a quick favor, if you love these skincare kind of deals, give this video a thumbs up just to let me know that you love them. Also helps with the YouTube channel and all of that magic. So if you could just take a quick second and please like this video, I would be so grateful. So what is on the table for this deal? We have this Pro Retinol Eye Cream for crow's feet. So those little wrinkles around your eye for $8.79. Original price point $34.99. And yes, we have coupons to go with this, so that makes it extra. We also have the Olay Tonin Perfection Serum with vitamin B3 and C for $9.99. The original price is $39.99. Some tremendous savings there. And then the final one is this one for also $9.99. Original price $39.99. Deep hydration serum with vitamin B3 hyaluronic acid. Hopefully I pronounced that right. But pick one of three for this little dealio, and we're going to show you the coupon here in a quick second. Okay, so let's look at deal number one. We're going to load this friend, which is a $5 off. And this is the coupon that will really make the deals happen. And I think both of my store cards got it. So I think most of you should probably have the same one. It's not an only for you. It's just a coupon that everybody received. And we're going to throw this guy into the basket for $8.79. To do a curbside offer successfully, you need to be at $10. So we're a little bit short right there. We're going to throw in one box of the Chewy Lemon Heads for $1.99. We have a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate, so that's the only reason why I threw that candy in. If the candy isn't your thing, I have another thing that you can throw in here. I'm going to show you in a second. But here's the IBOTTA rebate. This is at Walgreens only for these Chewy Lemon Heads. And I know this is not everybody's cup of tea, but anyhow, the overall basket is $10.78. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. Our $5 coupon is melting off for a new total of $6.31. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.31. Make that 75-cent submission to IBOTTA. You need a receipt as well. Or link your IBOTTA and Walgreens account, however you want to do it. But anyhow, just a superb deal. Okay, so deal number two, here's the question. You decide which of these serums that you want to have or to buy, whichever one will fit better in your skincare routine. But for $10 for a product that's $40, that's some serious winning. I'm thinking I want this one, but I'm still deciding which one I want. Maybe you guys can let me know. But I like both of them. And you got to make sure that your trusty dusty coupon is loaded, $5 off. I mean, that's a very generous coupon. And then for those that are like, I don't like lemon candy, let's throw in this cheapie for 79 cents. As the serum is $9.99, you're 1 cent short from hitting the $10 mark for a free curbside pickup. So let's throw in one of these toilet papers for 79 cents, toilet paper for 79, and then the serum for $9.99. So the total for the basket is $10.78. Curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax. Our $5 coupon is melting off. $6.43. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash if you may have it and pay $1.43 and call this a super duper deal considering that serum is almost $40. Fantastic. Okay, now here's the pizza deal. You can do this as a curbside or you can do it in store. The DiGiorno pizzas are $8.49 on a buy one get one free promotion. So if you have a bunch of hungry teenagers or if you want a quick dinner one of these nights, buy this at Walgreens. Why not? You have nothing to lose. Okay, here's our basket, guys. We have 2 of those pizzas on a BOGO free promotion. Back in my day when I used to pound those pizzas back, I think I used to love the Supreme one. It had onions and olives. It was just fantastic. I don't eat that deliciousness anymore, but I used to like the Supreme pizzas. So 2 of those, and then I would grab 2 toilet papers as well. Your total is $10.07, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, for a total of $10.16. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay the 16 cents. Again, you can do this curbside or in store, same prices with the BOGO free and the toilet paper, but a really smart deal. Last thing I want to touch on before I take off is this booster. It appeared on Monday morning-ish. $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. Not every store card got one. I didn't even receive one. A couple subscribers sent me messages on Instagram saying, "Oh my God, look what I got." This is valid from the 16th to the 18th only. So you really got to pay attention to those dates. And if you wanted to hang on to this booster and do one of these deals on Thursday, by all means, go do it to make it a moneymaker. You'll have to pay with your debit card for the balance. You can't use Walgreens cash with this. But the fun starts on the 16th, which is Thursday, with this booster. And about 30% of you received this. I didn't get one either. So it's always a lottery whenever our cards receive these sort of things. But I'll make a video probably tomorrow on how to use this. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.